Hello everyone, this is your curious dude here, and today I have bought a very interesting video where we can get unlimited money in GTA 5. Yes, you heard it right. We might have seen that there are, whenever you Google it, you will find that it says there are no cheat for unlimited money in GTA 5. But I'm here to change that. Let's quickly get back to the video and see how we can get unlimited cash. So the first step to get unlimited money in GTA is to installing an application. So this application is called as Cheat Engine. I have given the link in the direct description below. You can go ahead and download it. Once after downloading it, you will find something like this. Just open the file, and on the top left corner you can see select process to open. It would look like a desktop. So just click on that, and here you should get an option called as GTA Grand Theft Auto 5. Select that option and click on open. Once after you do that, get back to the game, and in the game what we would do here is in the game, first thing what we would do here is we would open our mobile. We'll directly go to internet, and in internet we'll go to money and services. We'll go ahead for share market. We'll buy some stocks. Just see the lowest stock which is available and go ahead and buy it. It doesn't matter if the stock is going under profit or loss. Go ahead and buy any number of quantity. I'm buying only 10 quantity here, and I'm clicking on buy and confirmed. So as you can see, I have $6,993 currently, and I own 10 stocks. So now let's get back to the cheat engine. In the value I'll provide 10, and I'll click on first scan. When I do that, this would scan for me, and I currently have 258,000 entries. So now my job is to reduce those to 1 or 2 maximum. So what I would do is I'll get back to game. Now this time I'll sell a stock. I'll just sell one stock and click on sell, confirm and continue. If you notice that I have 9 stocks right now. Okay, let's just get back. I have 9 stocks right now, so I'll go back. I'll change the value to 9. This time, instead of new scan, I'll say next scan. Now you can see that the total number of entries have been reduced to 21. Now we have to continue this until unless we get only one entry or 2 entries. So now we will sell one more stock.
Jesus, get a PA to do it.
And now you can see that I have 8 stocks available with me. I'll change the value to 8 and I'll say next scan. Now I have 2 entries available here, and I don't know which one of the entry or the address belongs to me. So I have 2 options. One, experiment by changing the value. Here I select this and I change the value, or I reduce even more. To be in the safer side, I'll just sell one more stock and
Hey, what? My heart can't handle this thing.
WTF?
I'll just click on one more stock and I'll sell. And you can see now that I have only 7 stocks available. What I would do here is I'll click on 7 and I'll say next scan. I'm still getting only 2 values, so let's just go ahead and change the value of anyone. Select any one of these two. When you select, you would get something like this. So just change the value to say 9,999 and click on OK. Now get back to the game and see if the value has changed for you. And let's go back. Let's check out, and if you can see, the value has changed. So that means the number that what we have selected, this is the wrong address, but this is the right address for us. So now you can give n number of entries. What I would give is this much, and I'll say okay. And if I get back to the game, and if I refresh this page and get back, I own this much. So what I'll do is I'll do sell all, confirm and continue. If you see, I have unlimited money. So if I just repeat this with any other stock, for example, I can select any stock. Okay, this is the lowest one. I buy 11 stocks, confirm, continue, and I have 11 stocks. 11, and I will say new first scan. So this would be treated as a first scan, and this should take time. So here I can see that there are 225,000 entries. So I'll just repeat this thing again. So this time, instead of giving only 9,099 entries, I'll sell one. Now I own only 10. I give 10, I say next scan. 39, I'll repeat the process again. Click on sell. I own 9. So next scan. So here again I get 2 values. Select any one of these. From the last time I've observed that this particular address was mine. So I'll select that and I'll change the value to again 9999999. It's up to you how much ever value you want. You can enter that value, and let's get back and see if the value has changed for me or not. Portfolio, refresh. Yes, it has changed. And if I sell all, you can see that I am not selling everything. Continue. I still own so much, and the amount here is maxed out. This is the maximum amount a GTA 5 can provide you. So let's say even if I spend anything, I can always come back and I can sell it because I own so much of stocks. So that's it, guys. This is how you can actually get unlimited money. And now I own, if I show you, I own